Before I present a case for Punjabi Jagran, I will provide you a brief overview what business opportunities Punjab and Punjabis can offer. If we go by state GDP is 6% and per capita income is 88,783. Punjab is a big producer of rice and wheat. Even if we take procurement of this wheat and rice, it's highest in India. And same way, if you take real estate boom in Punjab, because of scarcity of available land, every farmer is a crorepati there. If further peep into the rural Punjab, total population's rural base is 62% and urban is 37%. It further surprised me, 70% of luxury cars are sold out in rural belt and 65% of the total automobile sale is in rural areas. Same way durables, 60% of durables are sold in rural areas. If we take Punjabis basically they live life king size. Their aspiration values are very big. They want big cars, big bungalows, big house. Same way very lavish and foodie. They are globally present. Every second relative of their family is settled in abroad. Their faith, they're proud of their mother language, Punjabi. Both Sikhs and Hindus show respect to six tenets. Like I said, Punjabis are very aspirational for their big brands and all. So like when they talk about big brands and all, they are very like humorous. Like अगर मैं कहूँ कि like अगर उन्होंने जर्नल जो बातों में वो बोलते हैं कि यार हमें तो 4 करोड़ वाली कार लेनी है, तो what is 4 करोड़ वाली कार? It's basically Audi. Then again, अगर हम लोग उनको कहें कि like they are NRI influence. So जब NRI influence है तो like they want their house to be in a city. क्यों काके दी जिद सी एक घर लेना है city ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. So, if we go by numbers, percentage of Audi sale in rural is 70%, BMW is 75%. Same way, durables, 55% of LEDs, ACs are sold in rural areas. So, this shows that they have money power and they have aspiration for big things. So, why they want house to be in city? They have fascination for independent house because of their NRI influence, and for their kids, for investment purpose and for self pride. This is the reason why they want their house to be in city. Now, how they can get these people to be their customer? Like if we see broadsheet scenario in Punjab, Hindi and Punjabi publication penetration is in urban, and 75% Punjabi dailies are caters 75% of the rural market. 7 to 8 publications are there in urban areas, whereas only 3 major publications are in rural. If we take duplicacy factor in that area, Hindi, English, there is duplicacy factor. If we take Hindi and Punjabi, duplicacy is rare. So when we put together top 6 major publication, Hindi and English, its circulation is about 10 lakhs. And if we take only 3 major dailies of Punjab, they are almost same of the total 6 of these leading papers. So this shows strength of Punjabi language in Punjab. So why Punjabi Jagran? So there was a vacuum in Punjabi papers in Punjab because of present publications. They were catering to the regional and for a regional and a religious atmosphere. They were presenting to only those things. Jagran as the largest print group, we are having 5 different languages experience. So we thought we should launch Punjabi Jagran in Punjab. So we launched Punjabi Jagran is the right connect. It provides new and unique readers for with circulation of 1.75 lakh. First and the only Punjabi daily with nationalistic approach and news and layout that delivers with the local content. Good mix of rural and urban. Only newspaper with 15 city pullouts covering local coverage, covering local alerts. Dedicated 7 weekly supplements covering all areas of life. This is the clean and nationalistic layout of Punjabi Jagran with different supplements. So now, how to get this information dissemination? Like, best medium is the language, what they speak, what they consume with believability. So OOH is not credible in that area. TV, it's very costly. English broadsheet reach is poor, and activation, logistic and cost makes it unviable. So be the leader of untouched market and be with the Jagran. Thank you.